Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Michael Shear, your second favorite Turo host, and I have a little thought that just came through my head. I'm out here in the playground with my daughter, and it actually made me think of how we used to play and how playing actually really much relates with business. And you're asking, oh, how does that work out? Like playing and business, usually they're completely separated, but in this case, the message here that I'm trying to give out is going to be very, very related. So whenever you're playing, you have to take some risk. Take a risk of meeting a new friend on the playground, taking a risk of jumping off of the slide and not be tagged, weird stuff like that. And the same thing goes for business. You have to take a risk to meet a friend or to shake a hand, to get out and network, to ask questions, to get in front of people. And a lot of times that can be kind of scary, but a lot of times people are very much willing to quote unquote play with you, especially whenever it comes to making money. And the next thing along with that is that you have to be able to take that leap. Literally, if you're jumping off a slide trying to get away from being tagged or becoming the zombie. And this same thing goes for business, that you have to take the leap. It's not going to be worth it. You're always going to be it. You're always going to be the person that's going to be saying, oh, it doesn't work. Oh, I watched this person and that person fail, so I'm not going to try. You just, unfortunately, because you don't take that risk, you'll never know. Yeah, you might fall down, scrape your arm or whatever, but as we find out as entrepreneurs, that is exactly what you will always do. You will always get a scratch. You will always fall down. But just as any other kid in the playground, as you see, we're going down the slide, we go head first, we get cut up or whatever it may be, we just get back up again. We might cry, we might ask out for help, we ask our mother or father, and maybe this case would be a mentor, for help. We fail, we got hurt, we don't know what to do, we feel ashamed, we feel embarrassed, and it makes us not want to do it at all. Or maybe we see what we did wrong that time and we go harder, and maybe if not better the next time. We look, okay, maybe I don't jump off this thing as high, maybe I go down a little bit before I take that leap. Maybe I prepare myself a little bit more. Maybe I don't wear this coat, or maybe I don't wear these shoes. You see kind of where I'm going at this? Same thing goes for business. Maybe I don't put as much money up front. Or maybe I go and learn a new skill. So if you're into culinary art or whatever, and you say, hey, I failed at hot dogs, just something random here. I failed at creating a hot dog weenie wagon. Nobody got it. Well, maybe it's not that your food ain't good. Maybe it's just that isn't right for that place. Maybe you just need to do wings. That might be your move. So maybe get a new skill and go try it again. Maybe your wagon wasn't appeasing to the eyes. So maybe you got to get somebody to help you figure out what is the color scheme for this. How do I make it better? What do I say to my clients? How do I offer? How do I ask clients to try something new or to be open to my food? I know that everybody likes hot dogs, so why won't you try my hot dog? What is it about my hot dog? Is it the price? Is it the flavor? Is it the smell that you see as you come up? I mean, it could be a lot of things. In this case, you have to step out. You have to try. You got to take risk. Life is absolutely full of risk. And whenever you hear everybody saying, oh, I'm so risk adverse. Nope, not at all. When it comes to the things you really want to do, you will not be risk adverse. You will jump out. You will try. Yeah, be ready. Your elbows are going to get scratched up, but I promise that you'll get past it and go on to the next side. Hey guys, if this is helpful, these little words of wisdom here, please hit that like, hit that subscribe, especially if you stay with me for the full 4 minutes and 30 seconds here. Hey, I'd love to hear a little bit of feedback, a little bit of comments. Leave a comment down below if, hey, you took a leap of faith and you tried to start a new business. Starting a new business is absolutely scary. Creating the LLC, getting a business bank account, getting a checking account. I mean, my goodness, getting your first credit card. You know, there's so many little things you got to do, but unfortunately, you just don't know until you do it. And so get out there, take that first step. Again, guys, if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe, hit that like, and if I have done anything for you, leave a comment. Tell me what you're thinking. What's the business that you're running right now that maybe you need to take that next step? Maybe I can give you a little bit of encouragement in this place. And anyways, guys, this is Michael. This is your second favorite Turo host. Peace.